Regarding the facade wall, so in this case, joining part of this is not looking very nice, and I cannot do a lot of modifications to my facade wall because it's connected to face. So instead of a facade wall which I made from the surface, I will delete this facade wall and will create new wall by using architecture walls. I will select curtain wall from the list and I will draw basic line. So it will go here, it will go to top floor. So now, as I mentioned, it's hard for me because I didn't updated my floor all level names and it's a little bit confusing. So let's say the top floor is this one. The top of the wall is lower than the base. Okay, so it means I made a mistake. Okay, so I need, in this case, go to the 3D model and check my top floor. Okay, so let's update this one. So this one will be architecture level and it will be plus 30 meters 00. And on this side, this one will be structure, okay, and plus 29880. So it means my top floor will be this one. So I can go back to 00 floor, select curtain wall, and select updated level for architecture, plus 30 meters. And now I draw the wall on my grid line. So from one side, and also I draw the wall from another side. Now important part on my wall, if I select my curtain wall, these two blue lines, these lines should be outside of my building, and these lines represent external part of the wall. So these lines should always be outside if we are working with facade walls. Now on my left side, I see my curtain mullion is L shape. So I need to change it to different shape. So I can do changing by make changes in editor and change L shape to rectangular shape. So it means I go here and change it to rectangular shape and click OK, and it should update my wall construction. Now this part should go and should finish like here, and on this part maybe I can put some finish material and make it like finish part. Or another approach can be I just move this part down and extend my facade mullions to this position, and it's nicely creates closing part here. Now if I go here, yeah, so I see my curtain wall nicely finishes in this position, and I have a nice facade. And on this side it goes to the wall.